Here we go. Portugal. Woo. Watch out. Yeah. Ah! Alright, so this is 1 month after that clip you just saw. I just finished sifting through all the footage, and to be honest, I really did not film enough, and there's a lot of incomplete stories within the clips I got from Portugal. I definitely could have made more of an effort to complete these stories and actually have some sort of storyline through these clips. But yeah, I was like sick during the whole trip. I just finished editing all my book assets, so after 8 hours a day for 2 months straight, I just needed a creative and mental rest, and Portugal was that for me. It was a great trip, and I still want to make something out of these clips, so think of this not so much as a vlog, but more like a recap video. So now our feature presentation. Should have got the off-road wheels.
Messed up.
Wow, that's actually so sick. Why are we leaving?
So going to the right, you arrive to the viewpoints of Lisbon, and everything is just at a walking distance.
Little buddy.
To the left, at a walking distance as well, you have the viewpoint of Graça, which is the highest point in Lisbon.
Cool.
Yeah. This is historic in Lisbon. That's the problem. You see, moving around here, mainly by car, it's announced suicide.
What, we decided to name our car?
Bootleg Quincy. Or bootleg Quince.
I like bootleg Quince.
Okay, bootleg
That's sick.
Quince.
Yesterday I felt like trash, and Hannah took care of me. Thanks. So much better today, and we're going somewhere. What is this place called?
Hi, Stars Coast.
Yeah.
Hi, Coast.
We're in Portugal. So we just sat at that for a while. Now we're going to chill at a beach. I'm probably gonna write some, just gonna lay some.
Yeah, I'm gonna put on a bathing suit, which is gonna be amazing.
Yeah, this is a little warmer than Ireland.
A little bit, just a tad.
So the past couple of days have been not super. Shh. It's all good. It's all good. First day I was sick, not feeling well. Second day, we just kind of winged it. Wung it. We just kind of wung it.
Winged it. I think it's winged.
No, it's wung. So today we're not wunging it as much. Got the full tourist mode outfit on. Fanny pack included. Patagonia. And then these shorts I got from some water park in Wyoming. Stoked?
Yeah.
Sick.
Andrew, right?
Yeah.
Cliff.
Cliff.
Sorry to bother you.
No, you're okay. Nice to meet you.
I feel like I recognize that face.
Yeah.
Yeah. So why the decision to take a car?
And then we're trying to go up to Nazare while we're here.
Oh, Nazare.
Yeah.
Okay, Nazare.
Straight up, yeah.
Okay, to the top, to the north. But you can take a car.
Yeah, yeah.
It's so easy.
Yeah.
You want to see the waves, right?
Yeah.
I know, of course you do.
Hell yeah, brother. That's it. Be safe. Whoa. You see that? Yeah, it was huge. Here we go again. Wow. Get it. We went the wrong way. We're supposed to be going way over there. We are here now.
I just need to look at it.
Is Cliff here?
That one.
Wait, why? Yeah, you're right. So satisfying.
I can't stop laughing.
Should have got the off-road tires.
Okay, haha.
Hey,
Hi.
we're traveling out to a new Airbnb south of here. It's just like a work day.
Yeah.
Yeah, work day. Poob. We're starting a movement. All right, so we're a little confused. We got a sink. toilet. Your standard shower. And this.
It looks like a bidet. The water has to squirt out, not down.
Yeah, I guess. Maybe it's just a sink for like shorter people. All right, so vlog update. It's almost 3 and we are in Lagos now. We drove for about 2 hours to get here. The morning started off great. No.
Like what, 20 minutes?
Yeah, it was a great morning. And then I just threw up in the toilet. We laid on a beach for like an hour and now we're about to check into our Airbnb in like 15 minutes, so. Decent day. There it is. Yesterday we really didn't vlog much. The morning started off well.
And like 20 minutes in, I threw up, and that sucked. And then we just laid on the beach for like an hour. And then we made it to Lagos, which is beautiful.
And then we fell asleep, ate dinner, and fell asleep. Not a very eventful day, but today I feel better, and we're going on a hike. Here's a beach. I think we go this way, but we're not really sure. Today's the first day that I feel like we're actually like, I don't know, doing something.
True.
Almost. Got some electrolytes in me, and we're just cruising up to, what is it called? Do you know what it's called?
Don't know.
Some beach with a Portuguese name. We made it. Just kidding, we started like right over there. Pretty cool view of the same beach I just showed you. Sick. And here's another angle of the tourist beach. Pretty sick. That's such a nice little arch. We're gonna take a quick detour. I said that really bad.
You can do it again?
Taking a quick detour to that sea cave. There's literally no one here.
The tourist beach is like right over this thing. And we took like what, like 10 minutes if that?
Yeah, less than.
Less than 10 minutes. If we didn't even stop for pictures, it would have been like 5.
Yeah, like 2.
And there's literally no one here. So cool. Already very impressed. Getting the shot. Pro tips with Hannah. We went the wrong way. We're supposed to be going way over there. No, sorry.
I get it.
What's the place called?
Oh,
You care to try?
I shall try. Farol da... Oh, God. Farol da Ponta da Piedade.
Yeah. Faro de Pabas. To give her credit, my pronunciation earlier was not any better, so yeah.
And then we're gonna try to go to Praia do Barranco do Martino.
Nice job. Nice try.
Thanks.
Neat. That's so sick.
Damn cool.
That's so sick.
Right?
The whole gang is on the rock over there. The rest of the gang's over there. Homie's over there too. Not a bad view though. Yeah. Kind of walked around quite a bit today, but really, the cars are just like right there. I think we just circled the cars like with a 100-meter like radius pretty much.
Yeah.
Nothing too crazy, but it was nice to get out. Good views, good times, and I guess we're just doing something else now. Probably just go sit on a beach. Oh, voice crack.
We're gonna go sit on the beach. Seashells.
Yeah.
By the sea.
She is hunting hard. Look at that bag. Good haul today. Oh, hell yeah. Stashed. Yup, tap that sand off. Doing full tourist mode right now on a beach that I don't know the name of, but it's hella touristy. But we actually have it all to ourselves. We have it all to ourselves now. It's kind of cool because there was a lot of people here earlier and now there's no one. But it's also hella cold, so I don't blame them. There's not much bragging rights, but Yeah.
A little bragging
I mean,
rights.
yeah. And that's pretty much concludes the day. What was your favorite part? You can think about it for a bit. I can cut this.
Okay, cool. Thanks.
You're welcome.
You're not cutting. I actually think maybe the end sitting on the beach, which is funny because we've done a lot of that.
Like the day was good and it's active and fun, but it's like nice to like recharge like that.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yes.
I'd say that's probably mine too. It's just like nice to recharge, honestly. Yeah. Cool.
Hi.
You ready for this medium difficulty walk?
If I'm facing the ocean.
Yeah.
Right. So it's
Yeah.
Cool.
Cool. Wow, not a bad start, huh? That's insane. What the heck?
It's alright.
Cool. Neat little zone. It's nice. This trail's a little less crowded than yesterday, so pretty nice. Yeah. Not much more to say than that. The trail's a little questionable at parts. Like we're walking up to a house right now, but there's clues that we have to follow. And that navigates us on the trail, so I guess we're going this way. So we're hiking along this trail trying to find those sea caves.
Do not explore the caves in winter and spring. The hibernation and mating seasons for bats. It's definitely winter. It feels like spring though, but that takes out both of our options.
So, coffee?
Yes, please.
Hello. We are right there. Yeah, somehow we lost the path, which was right there. Because why would they build buildings on top of a cave? That should be us, but we messed up. Cookies and cream, Barbellas, trying this one today. What are you trying?
Eat natural crunchy nut bar.
I'm actually pretty excited about this.
How good.
It tastes like a lesser Rice Krispie treat, but I'm not complaining.
Honestly, this one kind of tastes like a Rice Krispie treat too.
You want to try this?
This is like a candy bar.
They're hard to chew.
I'm sorry, what?
They're hard to chew. This is honestly dope. Give this one like a 7.5. I'll give that one like a 7.
I think I would go for this one, but that tastes like dessert, so it's good. But it's like,
Is it time for dessert? Is it time for dinner? You know?
or like breakfast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well said. So that concludes today's review of the bars we're eating on the trail. Tune in tomorrow for maybe another one. Thanks. A clue.
You think they have coffee?
Arriba esta vez. There's some unstable cliffs right there. It looks like we're just out of range. We, once again, we're sitting on another freaking beach. Every hike here is kind of the same. Not mad about it, but it's just like, I don't know, we saw it yesterday, so. And then we couldn't go in the caves because of mating. Sorry, just kind of chilling. We ran around in there for a while. Tide was way higher. Now it's way lower. We've watched, yeah, true. Watched a lot of boats go by. Anything else to add? You don't have to.
No. Yeah, no.
Cool. That's an update for you guys. Maybe we'll do something cool later. Maybe not. We'll see.
We might sit on another beach.
Yeah, you guys like that, right? So cute. It's a Portuguese thing.
Yeah. I think it's good.
I'd like probably prefer an Oreo milkshake over it personally, but it's good.
I feel like that's a random comparison to make, considering we didn't have the option to get an Oreo milkshake.
Well, it's just like, I don't know. Like if they were like, hey, do you want
A pasta donata?
if you want a pasta donata or an Oreo milkshake, I choose the Oreo milkshake. That's all I'm saying.
Okay.
But they're not bad. Would you choose an Oreo milkshake or a pasta donata?
I choose a pastis donata.
Okay, cool. There you have it. Cheers. It's like we never left. We spent most of our day literally like right there, looking at that view right there. And that section up there is where we hiked around our car all day. Good trip.
I miss it already.
I mean, we never left. It's right there. Good trip? Truly.